Hi folks, Mike from TradeStalker.com with a quick video recap here of the first day of the year 2018, January 2nd, 2018. Okay, once again we had a little gap up open here, and like I mentioned in the last several updates, these higher gap up opens have been sold immediately. They gapped up right to the 86, 87 zone. They touched 87, immediately turned down for a if you're ready to go here, this is the place to enter on the open. First pullback came down to, which was our initial resistance. So I'm sorry. Initial was to be initial resistance at the 81 half, 82 half area. They held at 81 3/4. So right in that zone there, immediately turned up and cut right through the zone and went right on to the next zone. It popped above. This is the 90. I'm sorry. The last zone that was listed for the day was at 90 half, 91 half. I gave other numbers in the during the day. In any case, they went above 91 half, but they're only there for. They didn't have a close above it, and they immediately came down here on this 5-minute chart. It was came up here, and this was a stall. And you can't see it on a 5-minute chart, but they dropped 5.5 points right down here to this exactly down here to 7.25. Immediately turned up again. So obviously some good bids down here. They ran up. I mean, another high at the 91 half zone. Turned back down. Came back up. This was resistance all afternoon as they went in. They traded inside of this range here all afternoon until the late breakout here. In the last 30 minutes, I told them sell if it was a decent sell a bounce so you'd get them back. They ran up. We had 94 as a target. They went to the 95 half, 96 zone that you see right here. This was the last zone, last major pullback resistance, and were rejected at the end of the day. So Tuesday is the last day of the so-called Santa Claus rally period. And it should be an important day tomorrow, especially where we're at here, close to new all-time high on the S&P 500 and the Dow. I think the Nasdaq is the only one that's a little ways away yet, even though it had a heck of a day today. So in any case, hope you had a good start to your new year. Our members had good setups around zones again today with a minimal risk on the trades. So we want that kind of setups, come join us. You'll have my guidance along the way and a good group of traders to be with. So come join us at TradeStalker.com. If you're not interested, well, hope you find someone who can help you, and have a great trading day tomorrow. Good night.